Okay, I'm gonna show you how to um, I'll do that again. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to, the way I do it, make a portrait style image sized right for Instagram so it doesn't crop the head or foot off. And what you gotta do, what I do is put borders on the left and right, but at least it will show the full image as it's meant to be seen. All right, so I opened up Bridge is what I use. I'll do it for, let's just say this picture of my coworker, cool guy. I'll open it. It'll open in Bridge, and however you want to get to Photoshop you can, but then I'll open it and it'll open it in Photoshop. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is put the crop thing on and crop it here, which is, you go over here 4 to 5. Okay, check. And then what you got to do is, shit, I kind of forgot. Oh yeah, change the pixels so that it's best for Instagram. So for that, I go to image size, and you got to do 1080 wide. That's the amount that Instagram takes. 1080, and it'll automatically change the height to 1350. Okay. It makes it smaller. I just hit the magnifying glass or Z and just to make it bigger. All right, zoom in. All right. Okay, now you check. Here's the history. The history is up here, however yours is. And then I go back to the original picture. Let me zoom out a little bit. The original picture still, at the full, it's not cropped. And what you do is you just crop it again. That same size, and you'll see what happens. So crop, and then you pull this up. You want the whole image, and since you already cropped, you're at last image or whatever, it'll pull up these sidebars or the transparency dots. Okay, so cool. That's what I want. And now to make this, I wonder what it would be like if I just left it like that. Or maybe I'll try. I think it would just look like that. But I want to make this just a solid black or white columns. So I kind of forgot again. But what I did was, I'm trying to remember. New fill layer. Okay, solid color. Again, this is probably a weird way to do it, but all right, just add a solid color, what I just did, fill layer. I'll make it, I will make it black actually. We'll try it. The last one I did was white. Okay, and then I'll just pull this down below, and then boom, you got a cropped with the things. Oops, good. I pushed enter, and now before you're done, before you export it, go back. This is a new image, so up back to image size, and then do the same 1080, and then push OK. Okay, now it's ready for Instagram. You got your full image. Oops, fuck. Full image. Now it won't crop the top and the bottom. This is how you want people to see the picture. Now you have to make the border just because Instagram's ratios are stupid or whatever. So that's the only option. You got to have the border, so whatever. All right, and now what I'll do is file, export as, and come on. And then I already changed it to JPEG, and that's all I had to change. Just change it there, and then export. I'll put it for IG black border portrait. Just put it back where I found it, or where it was. Save. And that's it. And then that's it. And then you go get it where you saved it, and you post it on Instagram. That's it.